mo ang mga OPM icons in one stage. Dream Production Unlocked. Grabe talaga. This is an ultimate collaboration for me. And thank you so much, Miss Lani, Sir Martin, Miss Z, Tito Ogie.
Bakit may Tito Ogie?
Kasi ganun kita ka-love, Tito. Ganun tayo ka-close na. Tito Mark.
Yes.
Tito Mark. Parang fair.
Miss Z. Congratulations
to
you.
Lani. Maraming salamat po for taking time to be a part of my 20th anniversary concert.
Of course.
Of course. It is a dream. It is a dream to have you here.
Jonah, we love you. You are so good. Di namin alam kung saan nagagaling ang boses mo.
We took one look at you and we knew this show, Jonah be a great show.
Thank you very much.
Jonah be a great show.
Thank you, Lord.
Jonah have a good time. Jonah Marinim.
And talagang Jonah, you are Jonah. The joke.
Okay lang dito, mahal ka namin.
Joke na pala yun.
Mahal ka namin. Mahal ka namin lahat. So, kahit ano pang joke yan.
Sinabi niyo kanina.
Yes.
Sabi ko, it's Jonah be a good show. It's Jonah be a good show.
Oy, kasi yung joke ni Tito Mark, pang high-end.
Did you get it?
Pang high-end kasi.
Oh my God, you didn't get it?
Yung joke ko kasi pang Gen Z. Saan mga Gen Z?
No, you got it. Jonah be.
Nasaan daw yung mga Gen Z? Yung pang joke kasi nito, okay, pang Gen Z. Come on, Gen Z! Nasaan kayo? Taas kamay!
You got it?
Gen Z ka ba? Wala lang.
But Jonah, jokes aside, talagang very happy kaming lahat para sa'yo. This is well-deserved. Naman kahit mabagyo, dumating sila! Kaya kayo nakamahal!
I love you, Jonah.
And I know, ganun niyo rin po ako kamahal kasi talaga na alam ko po, it took your energy, your time, effort, and talent to be here, to share the gift to all of them. Kaya palakpakan po muli natin ang mga OPM icons and OPM legends. Once again, Mr. Ogie Algassi, Ms. Shasha Padilla, Ms. Lani Misalucha, and Mr. Martin Rivera. Thank you so much po.
We love you, Jonah!
Love you, Jonah.
Saan kinukuha yung TF?
Ay,
Saan papipirma? Saan kinukuha?
TF, sandali.
Wala ba yun?
Teka, na-sold out ba natin? Kung na-sold out natin, edi may pambayad tayo sa mga icons.
You know, because of what we all are going through in this country, this song makes a lot of sense. Kasi yun ang mga Pilipino, matibay
Always.
talaga tayo.
Always.
So sana po wag kayong bibitaw, but at the same time, magalit po tayo. Kasi ako nga, galit ako eh. I think it's okay, it's our right, so it's okay. Dapat hindi po natin pinapalampas.
Yes. At hindi natin pinapatay yung apoy.
No. Kasi karapatan po natin yun, nagbabayad po tayong lahat ng tax.
Mr. G. Velasquez Alcacid, ano po bang gusto yung position niya sa gobyerno? Regine!
Nakakaloka. No, but meron ako gustong sabihin. Jonah, I just wanted to congratulate you for on your 20th?
20th.
Oh
yes.
my God!
20th. 2005.
Ganun na ako katanda. Ganun pala na pag tumatanda ka, yung utak mo hindi tumatanda. Oo, yung nararamdaman lang ng tuhod mo. Rayuma is real.
Huwag po kayo
Good luck
mag-alala,
sa inyo.
ate. Kasi ako din naman, 20 years na palang nakalipas.
Oo, no,
Neneng-neneng pa po ako nun.
Super. How old were you when you joined?
I was 15. 15.
And now you're 25.
Yes, 25. Thank you. I'm not revealing my age.
I'm 28.
Yes, of course. The 28 years old Miss Regine Velasquez
Oo.
Alcacid.
Actually, mas matanda pa nga yung career ko sa akin eh. Yung career ko 40 years na eh. Pero ako 28.
28.
Now, I just wanna say that I am so proud of you. And I am so happy. Eh, yung naiiyak ako. No, because I was there in the beginning. And I'm so happy I'm still here.
Ate, wag kang iyak. Naiiyak din ako. Pinanalangin na tayo.
And, kasi yung panahon, parang ang bilis, but at the same time, hindi rin naman talaga. But I'm so proud of who you have become. Pero bukod dun sa napakagaling mong singer.
Huwag mo paiyak yan, please. Huwag mo paiyak yan.
Hindi, Jonah, talagang ang galing-galing-galing mo.
Thank you.
Bukod sa magaling ka, napakaganda pa ng boses mo. But you know what? Kasi yung parang given na yung magaling siya, di ba? Tapos parang sa extension niya nanggagaling yung mga boses niya. Hindi natin alam.
Sa height lang ako kinulang talaga ata. Sa height lang.
Kaya nga sa extensions na nanggagaling yung mga boses, di ba? No, but bukod doon, sweetheart, I am proud of yung bang you've become this woman na sobrang strong. After all you've gone through, I am so proud that you have become this person na sobrang matatag.
Matibay ka.
Matibay.
Matibay ni Mr. Juji Marcelo, by the way.
Yes, na hindi natitingnan. More than you being an incredible singer, I am so proud of who you are now, who you have become.
Ate, di ko alam. Hindi ko man siguro sobrang madalas nasabi, but thank you also from the bottom of my heart. Nandyan ka, simula nung nasa fetus pa ako. Simula nung nasa baba ako hanggang sa marating ko itong point na to ngayon. Nandyan ka, lagi kang nakasuporta. You've always been so generous of your talent, of your gift.
Alam niyo ba, she is celebrating her birthday on the 16th. 26. Birthday, happy birthday,
Jonah!
happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Make a
Secret
wish.
ko na lang yung wish. Sa akin na lang yan.
Secret! Only the dogs and cats know.
Happy birthday!
Thank you! So, share po tayo. Makihati kayo sa akin.
Mga kaibigan, ang ating birthday girl at ang nagsiselebrate ng kanyang anniversary, and the amazing Jonah!
Let's find out exactly.
Thank you so much. Kakainin po muna namin to
Yes,
backstage.
wait lang,
Babalik po kami. Wait lang po.
Meanwhile, watch the journey of
Yeah.
Jonah.
Once again,
You're Jonah Lovin.
palakpakan po natin ang mga OPM icons and legends.
Come on, Jonah.